Hello! So today I'm going to show you something different and unusual. I do a lot of woodworking and I'm going to show you a little bit of our uh, tips and secrets we got here. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full length strips, food safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.